Feeling stiff when you wake up? Aches and pains slowing you down? It might be time to add some simple stretches to your daily routine. Flexibility is key to our overall health, helping us stay mobile and preventing injuries as we go about our daily lives. It's not just about touching your toes or doing impressive yoga poses. Being flexible means moving easily, feeling good in your body, and saying goodbye to those annoying aches that can hold you back. The best part? You don't need to be a fitness expert to improve your flexibility. With a few easy stretches, you can keep your body happy, healthy, and ready for whatever life throws your way. These easy routines can fit into any schedule, no matter how busy you are. You can do them when you wake up, during a quick break at work, after your workout, or even while watching TV in the evening. In this video, I'm going to share 13 easy stretching routines that anyone can do. These stretches are simple, don't take much time, and you can do them pretty much anywhere. They're perfect for people of all ages and fitness levels. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Cat-cow stretch. The cat-cow stretch is a fantastic way to start your stretching routine. It's like giving your spine a gentle massage, helping to improve your posture and release tension in your back and neck. Start on your hands and knees, making sure your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. As you breathe in, drop your belly towards the floor and look up towards the ceiling. This is the cow part. Then, as you breathe out, round your spine towards the ceiling and tuck your chin to your chest. That's the cat part. Keep alternating between these two positions, moving slowly and smoothly with your breath. Aim for 5-10 rounds to really wake up your spine and get the blood flowing. Number 2. Child's pose. After the cat-cow, let's move into child's pose, a super relaxing stretch that feels amazing for your hips, thighs, and lower back. Start kneeling on the floor with your big toes touching and your knees about hip-width apart. Sit back on your heels and stretch your arms out in front of you, lowering your chest towards the floor. If this is too intense, you can rest your forehead on a cushion or keep your arms alongside your body. Take deep, slow breaths and feel the gentle stretch in your back. This pose is great for relieving stress, so stay here for 30 seconds to a minute, or longer if it feels good. Number 3. Standing forward bend. Now, let's stand up and do a forward bend. This stretch is excellent for your hamstrings and lower back, and it can help you feel less stressed. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and slowly bend forward at your hips. Let your upper body hang down towards the floor. Don't worry if you can't touch your toes. Just go as far as feels comfortable. You can bend your knees slightly if you feel any strain in your lower back. Let your head and neck relax completely. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute, feeling the stretch in the back of your legs and your lower back. To come out of the pose, slowly roll up to standing, vertebra by vertebra. Number 4. Seated hamstring stretch. Moving to the floor, let's focus on those hamstrings. Sit on the floor with one leg straight out in front of you. Bend your other leg and place the sole of that foot against your inner thigh. Reach towards your toes on the outstretched leg, keeping your back straight. If you can't reach your toes, that's totally fine. Just go as far as you can without pain. You might feel the stretch in the back of your thigh or your calf. Hold for 20-30 seconds, then switch legs. This stretch is particularly helpful if you sit a lot during the day, as it can help relieve tightness in your hamstrings and lower back. Number 5. Quad stretch. Let's give some attention to the front of your thighs now. Your quads are the big muscles at the front of your thighs, and they do a lot of work every day. Stand up straight near a wall or chair for balance if you need it. Bend one knee and bring your heel towards your butt. Grab your foot with your hand. Keep your knees close together and stand tall. You should feel a stretch in the front of your thigh. Hold for 20-30 seconds, then switch legs. This stretch is great for anyone who does a lot of walking, running, or cycling. Number 6. Butterfly stretch. The butterfly stretch is great for opening up your hips and inner thighs. Sit on the floor and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall out to the sides. Don't worry if your knees don't touch the ground. They'll get closer with practice. Gently press your knees towards the floor with your elbows or hands. You can also lean forward slightly for a deeper stretch, but remember to keep your back straight. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing deeply. This stretch is particularly beneficial if you have tight hips or do activities that involve a lot of running or jumping. Number 7. Triceps and shoulder stretch. Let's move on to your arms and shoulders. This stretch is great if you do a lot of typing, lifting, or any activity that uses your arms frequently. Start standing or sitting up straight. Raise one arm straight up, then bend your elbow so your hand goes behind your head. Use your other hand to gently pull your elbow back and down. You'll feel a nice stretch in the back of your upper arm, that's your triceps, and in your shoulder. Hold this position for about 20-30 seconds, then switch arms. This stretch can help improve your arm flexibility and reduce tension in your shoulders. Number 8. Side bend stretch. We often forget to stretch side to side, but it's important for overall flexibility. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and your arms at your sides. Raise your right arm straight up, then lean to the left, creating a gentle curve with the right side of your body. You should feel a stretch along your right side, all the way from your hip to your armpit. Hold this for about 20-30 seconds, then slowly return to center and repeat on the other side. This stretch helps improve lateral flexibility and can even help with breathing, bringing more awareness to the sides of your ribcage. Number 9. Calf stretch. If you walk, run, or stand a lot, your calves might get tight. This stretch can help keep them flexible. Find a wall and stand facing it, about an arm's length away. Step one foot back, keeping it straight while bending your front leg. Lean forward and place your hands on the wall, keeping your back heel on the ground. You should feel a stretch in the calf of your back leg. Hold this position for 20-30 seconds, then switch legs. This stretch is great for preventing shin splints and improving ankle flexibility. Number 10. Hip flexor stretch. Sitting for long periods can make your hip flexors tight, which can lead to back pain. This stretch helps loosen them up. Start kneeling on one knee, with your other foot flat on the ground in front of you. Push your hips forward while keeping your back straight. You should feel a stretch in the front of your hip on the kneeling leg. For a deeper stretch, you can raise the arm on the same side as your back leg. Hold this position for 20-30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch can really help improve your posture and reduce lower back pain. Number 11. Seated spinal twist. This twist is great for your spine and can help relieve back tension. Sit on the floor with your legs straight out in front of you. Bend your right knee and place your right foot on the outside of your left thigh. Twist your upper body to the right, placing your left elbow on the outside of your right knee. Look over your right shoulder to deepen the twist. Hold this position for 15-20 seconds, feeling the twist in your spine. Then slowly unwind and repeat on the other side. This stretch can help improve spinal mobility and digestion. Number 12. Neck stretch. If you get a stiff neck from looking at screens all day, this stretch is for you. Sit or stand up straight. Gently tilt your head to one side, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. You can use your hand to apply gentle pressure on your head to deepen the stretch. Hold for about 15-20 seconds, feeling the stretch along the side of your neck. Then, slowly bring your head back to center and repeat on the other side. This stretch can help relieve neck tension and headaches caused tight neck muscles. Number 13. Lying spinal twist. Let's finish with a relaxing twist that's perfect to do before bed. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Extend your arms out to the sides in a T shape. Let both knees fall to one side while turning your head to the opposite side. Keep both shoulders flat on the ground if you can. You should feel a gentle twist in your spine and a stretch in your hips. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute, then slowly bring your knees and head back to center. Repeat on the other side. This stretch is great for releasing tension in your back and hips after a long day. Quick stretch tips. Great job making it through all 13 stretches. Remember, the secret to flexibility isn't pushing too hard, it's about doing a little bit often. Aim to fit these stretches into your daily routine, even if it's just for a few minutes. Listen to your body as you stretch. You should feel a gentle pull, but never pain. If something hurts, ease off a bit. Don't forget to breathe deeply. It helps you relax into each position. You can do these stretches anytime, morning, during work breaks, after workouts, or before bed. Find what works best for you and stick with it. Stretch your way to better health. Flexibility is an ongoing journey. Don't stress if you can't touch your toes yet. What matters is that you're moving your body and taking care of yourself. With regular practice, you'll likely notice improvements in how you feel and move. So go ahead, give these stretches a try. Your body will thank you. Remember, a few minutes of stretching each day can lead to a more flexible, comfortable you. Keep at it and enjoy the journey to a more limber, relaxed version of yourself. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.